All right, so we're going to walk through of how to actually log into Buildertrend. Buildertrend is our CRM that we are utilizing for our company. It's going to record your customers' information, their address. It's essentially you're going to utilize to build out the proposal, and then every other interaction that you're going to have is actually going to be through another uh, CRM program that we utilize called HubSpot. That'll give you way more integral details about your customer. So to log into Buildertrend, you're going to go to www.buildertrend.net. .net, not .com. So once you go there, you'll come to a page like this. And from here, you will have a username and then your password. We create you a invite, and then you create everything else is customs to whatever you want for your password to be. All right, so once we have that in, we're going to log in. And we're in. So when we enter into Buildertrend, we go to a called a home page. So in the home page, you're going to see all the projects for anything that we have going on the production side on the left-hand column over here. You'll see we have 363 listed jobs. Now, these aren't all the jobs that we have going on, but this is what we currently have not closed out. So these are all our open projects that we have currently out right now. You'll have an overview of projects that are assigned to you or projects that you have sold for the company. Those will be listed here and over here. You'll be able to click in these and get a breakdown of exactly what you want to see from there. All right, so anyway, from there, you can go to the sales tab, project management. Everything from this house over is all based upon whatever project you're in. If you're in all the projects, you'll look at everything as a whole. If you're in each individual project, then each one of these tabs will be only for that project that you have selected. In our next video, we will talk about the sales tab on the left-hand side here, and we'll run through lead opportunities, how to review them, how to create them, and things like that. So stay tuned.